With more than 60,000 average annual automotive job openings available nationwide between now and 2029, enrolling in the Automotive Technology program at Universal Technical Institute's campus in Houston, Texas, could help prepare you for a career in the industry. UTI Houston has a lot to offer students who choose to enroll in the automotive program. The campus is close to IAH Airport and a ton of fun attractions in nearby downtown, giving students plenty of options when choosing how to spend their free time. Students in the automotive program learn how to diagnose, maintain, and repair domestic and imported automobiles, and how to troubleshoot problems of all kinds. Topics range from basic engine systems to computerized fuel injection and more. Students at UTI Houston even learn to service and modify high-performance engines and street-legal sport compacts in our power and performance courses. The automotive program can be completed in as little as 51 weeks. This means after graduation, you could start a career as many as 3 years sooner than someone choosing the university route. Thinking about a career in the automotive industry? There's a real demand for skilled trade professionals, and you can get trained in less than a year at our campus in Houston. Click the links in our description to learn more, or visit here, uti.edu/Houston.